Hey guys, welcome back. So finally we are moving tomorrow. So we have an early morning flight to catch, and then we are off to Kashmir. During my childhood days, I had discussed with my friend that we'll travel to this place someday. And luckily, a few years ago, she got this beautiful chance to travel to that place with her family, and I couldn't go. But this time, finally, after so many years, you guys, I finally got this chance to travel to this beautiful and amazing place called Kashmir. So I'm gonna do my packing right now. There's hardly time remaining. It's already crossed 10:30. So I'm gonna carry some shoes which are like boots and some jackets and thermals and all the things I need right there. So here are the most important things that I need to carry: the cap, the gloves, and not forgetting my socks. Okay, you guys, so I'm just trying to go in my bedroom and try to sleep for some time, like at least some hours, and get some sleep. Okay, hopefully, I'll see you soon once I get up. I'm leaving for the airport. I'll see you soon, guys. Really excited. Hey guys, so we just reached at the airport and now we're going to check in very soon. So just waiting for the gates to open by so that we can board the flight. Okay, so this is the safety kit provided by every airline. You get a mask and a face shield. So please don't forget to collect it from the airline staff. Okay, you guys, so we have a connecting flight from Goa to Mumbai to Delhi and to Srinagar. Right now we are at the Mumbai airport and very hungry, so just going to eat something. Okay, so it's time to board the flight. This is so very suffocating, you guys.
exit in front of you. Please read it carefully. Guests seated next to an emergency exit are requested to study the operation of the exit.
OMG, do you see those mountains? Oh my god, I can't wait to get there, you guys. It's so beautiful. Beautiful. Guys, we are finally in Kashmir. This is the happiest moment. This is gonna be amazing, you guys. You missing it? Now my dear husband has left his jacket in the plane, and since it's cold now, he's complaining about it. Guys, we're finally at Srinagar airport and we are really tired, but also at the same time excited. I think now we're gonna have the COVID test done and hopefully we are negative, because if we are positive then we have to stay quarantined for a period of days and all the vacation will go for a waste. So hopefully we are negative. They're going to call us and tell us the results. So see you soon, you guys. So now we're waiting for our luggage to come. It's coming? Where is coming? Oh, there it is. Please. You guys, we just done the COVID test and we're waiting for the results. They're going to call us and tell us the results. So fingers crossed. Hopefully it should be negative. You guys see that? We are in Srinagar. Right, there's my husband.
हम लोगों के फार्मर्स अभी दिक्कत में है जी, रोजगार का प्रॉब्लम है, ये प्रॉब्लम ऊपर से ये लोग गोवा में भी
और सर आप देखोगे यहाँ पर, देखो सर ये स्टूडेंट्स जा रहे हैं पढ़ने के लिए, सब मार्केट खुली हुई है, मीडिया से अफवाहें फैलाता है।
Hey guys, we are very hungry. After a long flight, we need to eat something. So we're going to this restaurant called the Boulevard Avenue. It's really amazing, as been told by our driver. So we're gonna try some Kashmiri food there. I can't wait to eat Kashmiri food. So I hope it's gonna be amazing. What's it here on this? Oh, look at this design. Yeah, amazing, no? Nice design.
कौन सा प्लेस अच्छा है घूमने के लिए नजदीक में?
This is the restaurant. It's very
Nice it is. Sweet also.
yeah. This is
अभी हम लोग कल ही गाड़ी में जाएंगे। कल ही गाड़ी में जा रहे हैं हम लोग।
So today is the 18th of February 2021, and we are at Srinagar, and we are staying at the Grand Kesar Hotel. Actually, the food is good, the rooms are amazing. Okay, so today we are going to Pahalgam. Okay, it's already 9 o'clock and we already had a breakfast. The breakfast was yum, and now we are leaving for Pahalgam and hopefully waiting for exciting things to do there. They call it the Switzerland of India. Really excited, you guys. Really, I can't believe I'm finally in Kashmir. It's a dream come true. As I already told you, I always had a wish to travel to Kashmir and experience snow. So today is the day where I'm going to touch the snow in my hands. Can't wait, you guys. We are on our way to Pahalgam.
उसके लिए फेमस है चिल्ड्रन।
We've already reached Pahalgam. Amazing, amazing. Now we're going to take the pony ride. Pahalgam it is. God, how I will sit for this.
सिस्टर घोड़े पे बैठ रही है अभी।
You have to climb, huh? अच्छा, only टांग मजबूत वाली। ये तो मेरे भी हाथ में।
खड़ी हो रही। काबा? जाफर भाई साथ है आपके? ठीक है सर, ले लो सर। एक और कैमरा।
The beautiful waterfall and what?
And look who is doing what with horse. He is Mr. Badal, the Great. And what's this one's name?
Raja.
Raja? He doesn't like him, but he likes me. See, he likes me.
Okay guys, so we have reached Pahalgam. This is called the Kashmir Valley. This is really amazing. Look at this. There's my husband. Alright, it's amazing. Actually the view, how it looks like. So this is the beautiful view, you guys. Really amazing. Really amazing, you guys.
हाँ, नहीं निकाले तो। Most not.
This is the mini stadium of India. having Maggie here, hot Maggie. What are you drinking?
This is called Kashmiri
Keva.
Keva.
Okay.
Kava. There are many names.
It's a
for it.
beautiful
Keva, I think.
scene behind you, and you're having a good time, I suppose.
Cheers.
Nice. Look at the view, you guys. It's amazing. This is our today's stay. We're gonna stay today here. We are in Pahalgam. I'm still worrying. Hey guys, it's day 3 and we are staying in Pahalgam, and now we are moving to Srinagar again. So this is the view of the hotel we stayed in. It's the Regency. That's how it looks like. To buy some kesar and honey and some dry fruits maybe. You'll buy from your special place.
सिर्फ यहाँ 2 चीज़ बनता है, कैशूज एंड डेट्स, बाकी सब कश्मीर का प्रोडक्शन है। केसर की जो पैशन होती है दिखने में लाल होता है, कलर देता है पीला, जो डुप्लीकेट होता है वो लाल कलर छोड़ता है वापस, क्योंकि वो कलर चढ़ा के होते हैं सब किसी घास के ऊपर या थ्रेड धागे के ऊपर। केसर की और एक पैशन होती है मैडम, ये आगे मोटा होता है पीछे जाके पतला, लाइक स्नेक, थिक एंड थिनर होना चाहिए। जो डुप्लीकेट होते हैं वो एक ही साइज़ का होता है। और एक पहचान होती है केसर की, अगर आप ये डायरेक्टली खाओगे इट शुड बी लिटिल बिटर, हल्का सा बिटर होना चाहिए, कलर आना चाहिए पीला। आप ट्राई अपने हाथों में भैया इसको मुंह में डालो, आगे वाले दांतों से इसको चबाइए, इट शुड बी लिटिल बिटर, कलर शुड बी डालो बिटर लगना। अगर मीठा लग गया वो केमिकलाइजर होता है, ये देख लीजिए। और जो इसका महक है ना सर, एरोमेटिक होता है इसका महक। Murmura means oil. It also contains oil. Oil. Omega 3. Welcome.
Cranberry.